the white sheet, draping the mystery. The cage sang festively. The voice rang through the drug lord's estate like mariachi, a serenading symphony. Some cocaine on the table was being weighed digitally. Cocaine from a Dylan face, Christmassy. Sit, stray, sniff with me, he said. In a high-pitched and gimmicky, I'm rich in villainy! Why riff of soliloquy? Is this guy trying to mimic me? He thought, Diablo! What humility! Feds rush inside the vicinity. Parakeet hides in the sheets, quiet as a thief. Find the key! Find the key! Find the key! Find the key! Nyanny! 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 The parrot went on like a tangent. The interrogator offered Parrot a cigarette. Parrot kindly accepted. Packing the ashes, more grams than sand, said the broadcaster outside the Mexican mansion. Captured, trying to flee the scene, out of his window. Arrested in his nest, netted and bugged. Parrot sings in the spotlight in elegant fashion. Mesmerizing detectives with badges, feathers elaborate. They will not begin questioning him until he's done singing, belting his bag. Hey, look at this! Songboy! He's a regular Jackson! Says the captain, impressed with the dancing parrot, recapped everything he's ever heard. Or saw. And just a couple of questions for the Talking Parrot. How does he know how much as he does? He knows all the cousins, all the mothers, all the brothers, the sons. What they talk to, customs, the drugs, the hog. What is your connection's name? Parrot flutters, flustering. Fluff! Fluff? He stretches feathers, colorfully bunched. Something is up. The drug leg has been giving different answers. He claims that the bird keeps him in a cage and sings to his carriage. According to the kingpin, the parrot is the one that gives the answers. And the Talking Parrot says he mimics the handler. Eventually, the parrot confessed to everything. Parakeet was successful because he controlled everything to the feathered wing. And he said to me, be careful of who you pretend to be. We are what we pretend to be. Real McCoy.